Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I am going to talk about Fogo Testnet. Yesterday they already live their testnet and what to do, what need to do actually. I will show you each and everything. And first of all, you just need to claim some role from their Discord server, fire start role. When you will join their server, that time after verifying you will get this role, and according to your level you will get many roles here. And if you have any type of queries, you can also ask their moderators, they will give your answer. And then the main part is Fogo Testnet. So first of all, go to the site, claim some faucet. Let me show you how it looks like. Just click on first of all, you need to connect your wallet here. You can you can connect phantom wallet or your backpack wallet, anything, any type of Solana wallet you can use. But the main thing is you need to switch to testnet mode first, and then come here and click on the get testnet tokens. And when you come to this site, you can see the site looks like that. And here three type of faucet are available. Click one by one and just paste your wallet address and hit the request tokens button. That's it for the actually faucet claim. And then come to this site for trading, the second website. I will provide each and every link in my telegram channel, so if you want more updates in future also, you can join the telegram channel. And then come to this site, and there is a trade button. Just click on it, and then you can see you have balance after claiming those faucet. You can see your balance here and here. Actually, these two faucet you will get FUSD and Fogo. And now uh, let me show you 0.0.2 or 5. Okay, I am just want to swap to USDC, so that's it. Let me click on it, buying USDC, and it's working good. Okay, it's working and transaction successful. And then go to the pool option. You can add liquidity here. I have USDC and Fogo, so I am going with that. Just let me show you. Okay, I don't have sufficient actually USDC, so let me decrease the amount 0.005. I think it will be okay. 0.07. Okay, don't need to uh, 0.5 is also okay. So deposit. Maybe you will face some problem sometime, but just wait and it will be fixed after some time. So let me try with 0.5, 0.5, no, 0.1, 0.07 maybe. Okay, there is some problem, guys. No problem, just try to add liquidity here. Okay, and then the third task is go to this site, the flux beam. After coming to this site, just connect your wallet. And when you will connect your wallet, and come to the tools option, the tools tab, and here you can see many type of tabs are available. Here you can create your token, pool creation, token locker, token manager. Many type of tools are available here. Token mint, token burn, each and everything you can do, which are available, which tools are available here. With those you can do those tasks. Okay, so just click on the go, and just choose any image, like I'm clicking, and give a token name, anything you can give. Okay, and then give a token ticker. Okay, let me give uh okay, give a description and supply. Let me okay, just leave it as it is. You can see the 6, and then create uploading token metadata, and you will get prompt on your wallet, and just click approve, transaction send. That's simple. And this is only one task. Here are many tools are available. You can do many type of tasks. You can perform many type of tasks. You can see even the token locker, pool creation. Even you can see you can add liquidity here also. And then just come to this side, the last side, rack check. What do you need to do actually? You can analyze your um, token. Like your token means you can analyze any type of token which are available on there, and you can see the trending option. Okay, actually I forget to show you. And just click on any token and you can trade with them. Just like I am trying to trade something with my Fogo. with this token. So let me show you. Click swap and you will get some token in return of Fogo. Okay, maybe I got some token. Yes, I have. I can now swap, means I can sell now, and you can also your balance here. Okay, at the left top corner. And now my balance is this. So just let me sell the whole amount. I don't need right now. That's it. Do transactions as more as you can, and then you can see risk analysis also showing here. But for better experience, just copy the contract address of the token and come to this side, the rack check. Here you can paste the token contract and click on the check button. Okay, they will say you the token is good or bad, and you can see this is the good score, and that's it. And then let me copy other token address from here. Another tokens also available like gamar, gamar. So click on it and again come to home and then paste it and click check, and the token is danger, bro. So this is the warning actually mainly. So just you can check any type of token contract here, and they will show you the analysis. So that's it. And these are the tasks actually available for now. If I will get any update from them, so obviously I will update in my telegram channel also. So just stay with me and join the telegram channel. So that's it for this video. Bye bye, see you in the next video, guys.